Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
Teachers under the banner of the Meghalaya Government LP School Contractual Teachers Association had met Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma at his chamber on the 4th of August 2022 to apprise him of their problems as far as reinstatement to their position is concerned. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, the president of the Meghalaya Government LP School Contractual Teachers Association, Birbor Reinstatement, informed that the teachers' body is not satisfied with the response of the Chief Minister, who has denied all help to the teachers who had approached him for the 7th time. Reinstatement further informed that the teachers were not aware of the policy of the government of the day, which he felt is deceiving. He added that the present government is only putting the blame on the previous one as far as the plight of teachers is concerned. Further, Reinstatement informed that the teachers will continue with their agitation, the program of which will be decided later.
Haduk kata-kata hakaba sedang ngintip bakani ke polisi ka sarkar kale ngira longkum kamasi kaba yalam syaka-jaka addo kumta ngi na kaliang jongi ngem don atiar bani le persai ka sarkar ngem don kanu ka aban ong da kumoi pat anrai hadin menginam mi nang ne ngin salum committee ka bakarki nang tangin sa puna da koi bar kejiki kam sei so der namar malong sai ba akade ka sin ka banyo ka jongi bangi ni kendo chief minister hakabasdang wong yangi ong ba panilan tianga kumnongan le nganirap ya phi te ni la persang penlum ya ki jengtep na ki wei ki jila kumno ki rap ya ki ngi kai kontrak te ya kataru ngila ai nang tagabaar ka ba ngiyo kejubab Chief Minister ngan examine mental system tam abangi kwa banyo egresal uai da kani bentang ba ngamla banira yapi keno penpan ya ka sarkar ka baladep keno penpan ya kiwai jing sisa ka bamenta ka ban penbai la dan jing bakla balai kero ukti penpan ya ka lawai ka baladep matrai kani kam kale ka jingelam bakla yangi ali ki pai ba lada dai chicha ka sarkar ka ban simji bakli ne ka ban ta ka jing bha jong kinoi kai bat jong kiwai ki nong chong chnong la de ban pan thamai hakata kor kom banam kta andai ngis ngosi ban na ka ne por ka appreciation ba ka sarkar MDA ka ayangi kinoi kai contractual ka dai ban phathia hamadan yangi ban that burom kumta nagaliang jongi im patla pan bana ai ka ne ka por andrai sasim ya karai hadin malamin angne hadai ngabu kane kecing apen sngo saka sarkar ne wat nang baha tang ben bisyar to nang baha ben sanchar kenang baki khun jong state ka jaj pan reu kinam long kilang kenya haki an yat jakor ki jong phi